following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Brown County, northeastern Manitowoc County until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Denmark, for 11 miles southeast of Green Bay, moving south at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Denmark around 5:20 p.m. Manitowoc around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cooper's Pound, Reeves Mills, Michigan, Kellner's Corners, Lane's Corners, Kellnersville, Fisherville, Maribel, Larrabee, and Madsen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: